Are you looking for the best tool bags for carpenters? Here we will break down the top 5 tool bags for carpenters on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. GATORBACK Professional Carpenter's Tool Belt Combo. This high-utility tool belt by GATORBACK is just the thing to help you get started on your next DE project. It not only gives you an airy and comfortable feel, but also it makes the perfect companion for people who sweat a lot when at work. It comes in 5 different waist measurements, allowing you to choose the perfect one for you, and the sizes are quite flexible, so you do not need to worry about the fit. This product is roomy with a total of 13 different storage pockets, with a beautiful blend of small and large pouches. So, you have more than enough space to house tools and equipment of every size. The right side comes with 7 pockets in the metal hammer loop. Additionally, the left side contains 4 pockets and incorporates a speed square pocket, and it also has 2 extra slots. Furthermore, the belt is made with sturdy Duratec 1250 fabric, which accounts for its premium durability. Consequently, the bar tack stitching, high-density web core, and metal rivets add to the exceptional longevity of the product. At number 2. MAGNOGRIP 2003017 Magnetic Carpenter's Tool Belt. The MAGNOGRIP 2003017 Magnetic Carpenter's Tool Belt serves like the wife holding the ladder and supplying you with tools. In order to free your hands, you have to know where each tool is and how easily you can get them. This tool belt makes it simple and easy. In fact, it's got 12 pockets, each with a design to hold the different types of tools perfectly. So you'll know exactly where to place your hands to find what you need without even looking down. Besides that, the magnet feature is this belt's key attraction. Thanks to the magnetic nail points, you don't have to rummage through to find the small devils. Just a bit of force and you can grab them. This tool belt's design is one of the best because it makes things very convenient for the carpenter. At number 3. GATORBACK Triple Combo with Pro Comfort Back Support Belt. The GATORBACK B145 durable tool belt offers incredible ventilation, support, and comfort. This belt features ventilated padding to decrease sweat. It comes with carrying handles for convenient transport. You can easily put it on or take it off. Every pouch is specially designed to carry the tools of professional carpenters. There is no need to worry about toughness because the belts are surefire tough. The GATORBACK tool belt includes a tool pouch, 7 pocket pouch, single pouch, hammer holster, tape clip, and ventilated back support leather belt. Also, the belt is made of ultra-breathable material. At number 4. Dual 31 Pocket Professional Carpenter's Pro Combo Apron Tool Belt. The Professional Pro Combo Carpenter's Apron comes with a belt padding of 6 inches with dry Lex liner, dual tongue roller belt with buckle. You can secure your phone in one cell phone holder. The belt has 31 pockets along with sleeves to keep tools and nails. One pouch will hold your hammer. Moreover, a utility pocket allows you to keep your knife in it. The tool belt features 11 main and 24 small pockets, along with loops and sleeves. You can carry pencils, nail sets, tools, parts, and nails. At number 5. CLC Custom Leathercraft 5605 Professional Carpenter's Combo Tool Belt. This tool bag is also made from heavy-duty materials that can withstand daily use without wearing out. However, this tool bag is also another excellent choice for any carpenter who needs to have an organized workshop. It allows you to move around with the tools you need for a project, saving you precious time and effort. Moreover, this tool bag is adjustable and comfortable to wear, giving ample time to work on your project.